man say what did the police do?
Oh God! Oh God! Look how they kill my police, my poor son! My son in his bed! Look at blood on the ground! Oh Father! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Look how they kill my son!
They kill a man on the bed!
They butcher my son! My son right on the bed and they butcher him! They butcher him! Oh God! Oh God! I can't take this! I can't take this!
Go closer! Who are the men? Go closer!
Oh God! Look at how they kill my child!
Yeah, me I give it to them, you know. Yeah, man, a long time me I watch and I see them. I mislead you with them. Yo. Yeah, man, me just can't sit back and I watch the people them I destroy the little ghetto you with them, no. You have to talk about it. See? I say me nah. I say me nah. Certain things me nah do. Me just nah. And certain things me can't do. Me just can't. Because the little juvenile them a watch you. Me just can't. Hey, now watch me black brother working hard all week and go rob him chain. Collect bloody money from the black brother head and when him touch down bust him brain. They can't watch me own black people arise and me won't pull them down the drain. And sing dirty music we corrupt the youth them brain.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Country girl, so you have to deal with it, baby. You know, give me a call. That's all me I say. Now, when I heard the video that I played at the beginning, the mother and son Grande, they came in to her house, searched her house, then went to the back. Long story short, kill our son. Listen to this and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys.
What threat could a sleeping man pose? That is the question Wendy DeGale wants the police who shot and killed her son on Tuesday morning at his Sangre Grande home to answer. In an interview at her Immortelle Crescent home on Tuesday, the grieving mother told Newsday she wants justice for Brandon DeGale's death. DeGale described 33-year-old Brandon as a hard-working family man. He was a contractor. She said that at around 4:40 a.m. she heard officers knocking at her front door. DeGale said her other son opened the door, and police started to search her home, eventually leaving empty-handed. She said the officers then went to the back of her home, where Brandon lived in a separate house with his girlfriend, a police officer, and his 13-year-old stepdaughter. The girl was not at home when the incident happened. They went straight into my son's bedroom, and I hear my son, he must have spoken to them, and then I hear pow.
In this case right here, the people them in the community got very, very upset and decided to protest and block the roads and, you know, create like burning tire and really protesting the death of this young man. But what's really kind of sad about this protest is that they're burning their neighborhood. When you protest, you have to do it proactively. Go down to City Hall, go to the Prime Minister's residence, go to the MP in the community, go to his house, go to his office, and that's where you protest. I know frustration and everything, and it's good to bring awareness to the situation that happened. But in the future, when situations like this happen, and I'm speaking directly to the Trinidadian, as well as I'm speaking to every community, every Caribbean country, you have to protests at the MP's residence, protests at the office, protests at the DPP office. When you burn your neighborhood down and protest in your neighborhood, it really kind of defeats the purpose. And then the politician them and the police them say, see, they're a bunch of animals. So that's all I have to say. With that said, it really grieved me what happened to this lady's son. Let's go. In this case right here, it grieved me how the lady, the mother, was crying for her child. And like I said, the full video is out there, but I am not going to show the full video with all the blood and stuff like that because of YouTube. But you can check the WhatsApp group. But the problem with this situation, to me, and this is just my opinion, number one, I'm thinking this is Trinidad. There is tons of killings and all sort of more super criminal in that space that these gang police could go after. Why would they go after a young man with just a 38 and kill him? To me, that looks suspicious. Another thing that stands out, the mother said that the police have been harassing her son, that he sells drugs and he's in a gang. And to me, the profile of this young man do not coincide with high profile gang member. He must be a really low profile one who knows how to keep low and keep out of sight, but that didn't work. So what that seems like to me, somebody pushed this young man out. Somebody shoved him out to the wolves. And if anybody know what's going on in this case, let me know. But when you look at the whole situation, like I said earlier, I'm quite sure the police can find many other gang members are more violent. This guy don't even have a history of going to jail and violence. So what if they caught him with a little 38? He live in Sangre Grande, he live in a crime-ridden neighborhood. They said they found a little bit of weed, and you can walk with I think an ounce or 3 ounces of weed in Trinidad. The police have been going to his house harassing him. But most of all, now I heard through the grapevine that this guy have a little issue with a drug dealer in the neighborhood, and even the mother blurt it out. So it seems like this youth is getting too much respect, and somebody around the town feels threatened by him. Now, like me say, it's a tragedy, this situation right here, and the reason why I'm speaking about it is because the way how this case come across to me. The gun could be in the house, like the police said, or a police can plant it. But not only that, the police also took the DVR, which was recording the video and recording stuff in the house, and the police took that. So, you know, like I say, 6 of one, half dozen of the other. How can you a situation like this? Well, to give the police some, to be honest, the police said that the police internal affairs, you know, every police name it different, is looking into the case. Jamaica we call it Indicom, but the whole case to me seems like somebody pushed this young man out, and yeah, the police went in there because the guy don't fit the profile of no big time gangster like say Prezi or Tyson or the man them round them kind of man there. So I am just kind of baffled as to what would cause this search. Where are they getting their information from? You know what I'm saying? And how they execute their search. To the kind of crime that's going on in Trinidad, this young man is an angel, and it's real sad. And I hope the police them do something about it, yo, the internal service. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. I talk about Trinidad all the time. Yo, Trinidad is not a place to play with, and that's all I'm saying.